Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory today. Today we'll be going over a 2022 19 RBHL Heritage Glen. Really nice unit if you're looking for a nice couples coach with a lot of storage and a lot of space to hang out. Come on, follow me. One thing you're gonna notice right off the bat, you're gonna have a 3-step, solid step going right into the coach, which is gonna give you a nice open entrance into the coach itself. If you come on in, the first thing you're gonna notice on the left-hand side is that you have a really nice carpet or closet right here that can also be used as a pantry, and you got the refrigerator right next to it. Really nice layout. It's gonna be one of the largest in this size of a unit. Okay, so really nice freezer and refrigerator, and you have your bathroom right here with a lot of space as well, and a nice tall shower. It also comes with an invisible door that slides over to be closed. Really nicely set up, and then you also have a really nice pocket door right here, making it nice and easy to close, so that way it's not in your way as you're walking through the unit. If you follow me right in here as well, the first thing that you're going to notice is you got your really nice sink right here. One of my favorite features is that when you are in here, maybe washing some dishes or cleaning some vegetables up, things like that, you have a really nice view right here as well, okay, making it nice so you can see, family hanging out, or if you're out in the, wild, you can see the animals running by. So really, really nicely set up. You got a 3-burner top with a nice cover on top of it, okay, and a really nice oven as well, okay. It's going to come equipped with your Thomas Paine collection recliners. Really nicely set up, and it's in the perfect spot if you're wanting to watch TV, or just hang out and maybe watch some sports and things like that. Okay, one thing with this particular coach that I really absolutely like is that there's a lot of storage in it, really deep drawers, as you can see, and then you're going to have storage underneath the bed as well. It will come equipped with a really nice RV queen, okay, nice and deep, and a really nice mattress as well. Another feature that I like is that on this particular unit, they are not going to offer any in-floor vents, which makes it really nice. Things get caught up in there. So, the nice thing about that is you're not going to have any dirt, particles, or, straw or anything like that being caught in those. So a really, really nice feature. They do a great job with that. And you're also going to have a really nice AC right here, and it's going to be vented throughout the unit, making it well so it circulates throughout the whole unit. It also comes with the CD player, okay, AM, FM radio, Bluetooth, and nice speakers inside and also outside. The thermometer is going to be set as a digital one rather than analog, so really, really nicely set up as well. So if you're looking for a really nice couples coach, not too long, with a lot of storage, really comfortable to hang out in, this is definitely the one for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at this. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Gaston Chavarin, and my phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.